my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. So this is another tutorial on how to make a simple and beautiful pearl bracelet step by step, and the best part is it is beginners friendly. So if you have been wanting to start beading, this is a great place to start. So let us get right into the tutorial. Materials needed: you'll be needing your 0.7 mm fishing line, your cutter, and hooks. So you'll be needing bracelet hooks or necklace hooks for your bracelet. So let us get started. Start by cutting out the fishing line that you can undo. Then you are going to open the bracelet and then separate it. You are going to take one part, you are going to add it inside one side of the fishing line, then make sure that the two fishing line are equal. So this is what you'll be having. After that, you are going to join the fishing line together, and you are going to start by placing your bead inside the fishing line that you join together. So you can add, let us say, like 24 bead or 25 bead depending on the size of your hand. So I am done here, so I want to add the second hook inside. So you are going to join together, and then you are going to take your hook and then you place it inside. So this step is very important. So you are going to take back your fishing line, you are going to put it inside the bead like this. Now we want to secure the bracelet and make it very sturdy and not flexible. So make sure you pull very tight. If you can't pull, you can get anybody to help you to pull the fishing line. Then you are going to pass it inside the beads back. So you are going to pass it back to meet the other side of the hook. So I'm almost done here. Can you see how hard my beads are not falling? So, and that is the reason why. The reason is because I am pulling this very tight. So now when you are done, you are just going to cut the remaining excess fishing line, and then you are going to join together. Can you see that we are done? So this is very simple to make. So after that, yes, I am putting on my bracelets here. Can you see how beautiful this is? You can do this with any other beads. Very simple. And then this is the final result of the bracelet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and also turn on the notification bell, and also subscribe to my channel for more tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.